This is a 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye. Comes with a 6.2 liter supercharged V8, and let's give it a listen. This one not only comes with a lot of power, but a lot of options. Inside you have black leather interior with the SRT branding on the seats. Across the dash, this one does come with a technology group. This vehicle only has 7,902 miles on it for 2019. Climate controls, your gear shifter, carbon fiber. This one does come with built-in navigation. You have heated seats, heated steering wheel, vented seats, and of course your backup camera. Plenty of room in the trunk for whatever you need to throw back there. Come check this one out at Next Level Auto in Hillsboro.